What the brap is up, fellow brapsters? Hey, it's Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent. It's Monday morning, and I'm going out to ride with Johnny Mac and some of the kids. I'm hoping for a chill ride, but chill ride, Johnny Mac usually don't go in the same sentence. I'm gonna start doing something new this summer. I'm gonna do like a weekly journal of rides, just clipping together the rides, because I plan on riding 2 to 3 times a week. Anyway, here we go. It's little Sammy Jr. here, future pro. Say hi, Sam.
Hi.
Got little Sammy in front of us. Slower. Slower?
Yeah, I think I was just on one. Just reading and attacking and not thinking.
Some of those rocky hills I wasn't expecting.
Did you make it?
Yeah. Oh yeah. It looks like a little Eli Tomac in front of me. It's awesome.
These are tiny wheels, I was bumping around.
Hey, we're bumping around with our big wheels.
He's standing up through all the hard stuff. It's awesome.
Yeah, you're doing good, Sam.
Little father-son ride. Invited the old man friend along. Thank you guys. At least Sam's being nice and not leaving me in the dust too much. That one's for him on that. Stick with Sammy. Make sure he's all good. In reality, he probably should be sticking with me, making sure I'm all good.
Wide open desert.
It's wide open, baby.
Well, I found neutral.
Found neutral?
Yeah. I was in second and it was like all groggy down, so I just had to go
You did a lot of that hard stuff, no dab. That was awesome. Look at this, no dabs. Look at that. Nice little wheelie.
I didn't really like Cody.
Nice control, nice not dumping it.
Look at this view. Well, nice job. Fuel. Take a few.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks for riding. Let's take a quick second to thank the companies that have helped me out this year for the race season. Got the Mobius company and the 100% company. Goggles, gloves, knee braces, wrist braces. So thank you for believing in me. Appreciate your support. Thanks Johnny and Sam for taking the old man out.
Yeah. That's awesome.
Johnny beat some PRs. I might have beat some PRs following Sam. Who knows?